Hi guys, it's Mr. Smith and it's Friday and that means it's time for another Minecraft math lesson. I say that every Friday. I'm sorry. I should probably have a different way to introduce these. Anyways, this is a slightly different world than I usually use. You guys are used to my world that I have. That's a 1.16 Minecraft world. It's the latest release. And it's pretty cool, but this I thought would be a little bit more fun just to do something a little different. So this is a modded world that I'm doing called Lost Cities, and I also have some sciencey type mods in it to create electricity. But today we're gonna do some math. Today we're gonna count all these cows. No, I'm just kidding. They get all bunched up and you can't count them. It's impossible. So, anyways, yeah, I know I have too many cows. I usually make too many cows and then they make a lot of noise and it's terrible. But anyways, people who play Minecraft with me hate that I have so many cows. Anyways, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a little bit of dividing things into groups. So this here, most of you know, this is my wheat farm. Okay, so I'm gonna gather this wheat. We're gonna figure out how many loaves of bread you can make from this wheat. So you need to know one thing for that. You need to know how many pieces of wheat it takes to make a loaf of bread. So, let me see if I can find... I don't know if I have wheat stored in my storage. This will be good because I can show you... I can show you some of my sciencey stuff, and I'm not completely successful with it yet because I was working on it. Then I kind of took a break from this world, and I thought it would be fun to log back in and sort of show you guys and sort of work a little bit. So this is my high-rise apartment building that I live in. I kind of just took it. I don't know. I'm not paying rent. Nobody's here. This is kind of an abandoned world, but it's kind of cool. It's like there's cities that they were abandoned. There's subway system and everything. It's very dangerous. So we're not going to go in there. But anyways, so let me see if I have some wheat. I can show you what the recipe is. Ah, there's wheat. I only have 2 wheat. I don't have enough wheat to show you. Anyways, all right. So let's take these 2 wheat. We'll add 1 to it somehow. I don't know how. Let's go get another wheat. Anyways, this is my apartment. It's nicely furnished, bookshelves. This is my setup for processing ores. I'm a miner. Alright, that's complicated, all that stuff, but anyways, this is all stuff from the mod that I use. Let me show you where I sleep when I want it to stop raining. This is my bedroom. Look, it's so nice. Very classy, very well appointed. Anyways, I'm being silly, I'm sorry. So, we're gonna go find out how much wheat that field can make. So, in order to do that, I need to harvest 1 of them and add it to these 2. So I have a jetpack. That's how I'm flying, by the way. It's not creative mode. I have a jetpack. It uses hydrogen. So, you know, just like real life. Jetpack with hydrogen in it. So, anyways. So we'll take 1 of these. So these actually divide up. 1 bale of hay divides into 9. Actually, that's a good math problem too. So if 1 bale of hay equals 9. This is a multiplication problem for you guys who always want to learn multiplication. We can do that. So if I take these. Okay, so I cut up all those bales of hay. I have 10 bales of hay. Actually, that's pretty easy math. So if I have 10 bales of hay and each bale equals 9, what will be my total pieces of wheat when I'm done breaking up this bale of hay? So that's your first math problem. Go ahead and do that. Mr. Smith will do the, pause the video and do the whiteboard. I gotta refill my hydrogen soon. Also need to get inside because it's nighttime. And you know Mr. Smith always has problems at nighttime. So anyways, I'm going to pause the video and you guys can figure out how many pieces of wheat we can make with those 10 bales of hay. Alright, I'm sure you did a great job. I'm sure you figured out that 10 bales of hay times 9 equals... Oh, I had 2 already. So 62 plus 28. That would be 90, right? 62, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, carry the 1, 9. Yes, it would be 90 pieces of wheat. So, anyways, so that's the first math problem. So let's figure out how many do we have? I'm not prepared. I should have had a crafting bench down here so that I could show you. Let's sleep, just so we don't get our faces eaten by some zombies. It's pretty well lit here. I don't think we would have, but it's always safer to sleep and whatnot. Hey, there's the bell. It's also always fun to ring the bell. Anyways, where is... oh, you know what? There's a crafting bench in the Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Hello. We have to kill him because he'll blow me up. Which I know you guys think would be hilarious, but it's not to me. Trust me. So anyways. Okay. So we got some experience there. Is there a crafting... There's no crafting bench here either. Alright, we may have to just make one. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm out of arrows. Well, not easy to make either. Alright, so he died. Okay, so let's find... You know what? I'm just going to rip apart one of these houses so I can make a crafting bench. We'll take one. I'll put it back, I promise. So, okay. So, in order to make a loaf of bread, it takes 3 wheat, right? Okay. So, there's some complicated math going on here that we're going to have to do. So, we are going to harvest all this wheat right here and figure out how much we have, and then we're going to have to divide it by what number? We're going to have to make it into groups of 3, because each group of 3 is going to make us a loaf of bread, right? Of course. So, let's put the wheat we have down, because that's just going to confuse things. Okay, so go out the door that's open, silly. All right. So we're gonna harvest all this. We're only gonna harvest the wheat that is fully grown, and we're gonna replant because, you know, I gotta eat, right? Gotta feed the cows. All right, so I'm gonna harvest this wheat. And I can't just count as I'm harvesting because you get more than one usually from. That one probably wasn't grown. That one probably I did just get one, or I didn't get any. All right, so we're gonna harvest, 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 harvest. Harvest, harvest, harvest. All right. Did we harvest all the fully grown wheat? Yeah, that one's almost grown, but it's not yet. All right. So we have 47 seeds. We actually did a thing with seeds and wheat last time to see how much more seeds we had than wheat, I think. So anyways, all right. We ended up with 23 wheat. So we are going to take 23. I thought I was going to jump. I forgot I was in modded Minecraft. So we're going to take 23 wheat and make it into groups of 3 and see. Now, guys, it's not going to be an exact number. We're going to have a remainder. Okay? Just warning you. So anyways, Mr. Smith's going to pause the video and you are going to figure out the math for 23 divided by 3. All right, guys, did you do it? Of course you did. Mr. Smith always gets you through these brain-challenging math problems. So anyways, we are going to now see if our answer that we got in class was right. So let's divide it into equal groups of 3. So we can have 7 groups of 3, so we can have 7 loaves of bread with a remainder of 2. So hopefully you guys figured that out. So you can actually use a calculator and figure it out with a fraction too if you want to. But anyways, so that, all right, you know, this is going to bother me. I have to fix this. We have to find a tree. Let's find a regular tree. I know I'm a little neurotic sometimes with this kind of stuff. So I'm going to cut down a tree and fix that. There's one. That's the right kind of tree. You can't leave the house unfinished. Oh, there's a guy who's buying stuff. I could go get my emeralds and see what I can buy. We'll fix this house first, though. Let's fix the house. This is an obsidian axe. It's pretty cool. There's a sheep. Let's see what he has to offer. Maybe I don't want to buy anything from him. Hi, hello. Ooh, we can get a nautilus shell. We can get a bubble coral. So we can make a few math problems out of this. So the first question is, if we were to buy every single one of these items, how many pearls would I need? So that's a tricky one because there's a lot of math there. You're going to add 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. So that's going to take a little bit. So Mr. Smith will pause the video and then we'll do the math together on the whiteboard and then we'll figure it out. Okay? So, hi, hello. You're a llama. Can you do anything with the llamas? No, I don't think you can ride them if they're like this. You can talk to this guy. I don't know if I have emeralds. I might have like 1 or 2 emeralds, but I don't have a lot of emeralds. So let's go back to my house, figure out how many emeralds I have, and maybe I can buy a few of those things. And then we'll end the video because with all our math and calculations and everything, it's probably almost time to go to lunch. I know you guys at home don't always go to lunch at the same time, but we have to go to lunch at 11. So, but I hope you enjoyed this episode with the different kind of scenery. I like the city. I like how it kind of generates as like an abandoned city with like some of the buildings look like they were hit by meteors or something. You can see that over there that has like a hole in it. Or maybe some knucklehead tried to build a nuclear reactor on top of a building and it blew up. That could be what happened too. That might happen here, trust me. So, anyways, yeah, this is a nuclear reactor. And it's, you know, probably never get it to work because they're difficult to get to work. You know, it is like a nuclear reactor after all. So do I have any emeralds? I have diamonds. I have 90 diamonds. I probably need more diamonds. But you need to use a lot of diamonds for what we do. Hey, I've got 14 emeralds. So, and I don't know because I didn't do it I haven't done this here in this world. You guys did it in the class. So the question next is 14 emeralds enough to buy one of all of those things? So let's go see if it is. Hopefully he's still there. He'll be so happy. Probably never gets a sale, like ever. This isn't, I mean, it's flying, so it's still cool, but it's not the fastest way to get around. Actually, it probably is faster than running. I don't know, maybe running's... Ouch. Maybe running is faster, I don't know. So let's find the guy. Where's the guy? Where's the tree we cut down? He's near the tree we cut down. Is he gone already? No, there he is. I was all worried for no reason. So we have 14 emeralds. I actually have another one in that mining machine I have over there, but that's okay. So we have 14 emeralds. So let's see. You guys already know because you did the math, but I didn't. So let's see if we have enough. So what is going on? Who's zombie? There's zombie. It's probably underground. It's not a big deal. All right. So do we have enough to buy one of each of these things? Let's find out. So we can buy this. We can buy... I want to buy this. Oh, okay. We can buy this. One of these. We can buy one of these. We can buy 3 of these for that price. We can buy one of these. So the answer was no. We don't have enough to buy all of these. We needed 2 more emeralds. All right. So Mr. Wandering Trader. Hey, did he take my emerald? No, I got it back. Okay. So we have all this junk I don't need. but we figured out some math and we did some good stuff today. So guys, anyways, this will be the end of this video, but maybe you'll see this world again. I don't know. I don't play this world all that much. because I liked the regular Minecraft and they came out with new things, so I started playing that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this. It was a little bit different than normal. I enjoyed it. It's always fun to go into a world I haven't been in a while. It was fun to harvest that wheat. You saw I have way too many cows. I always have way too many cows. That's what everybody says. So anyways, guys, enjoy your weekend. Relax. Have a good weekend. We're going to do lots of great work next week. And have a great day. Bye, everybody.